Quack quack ducks. The ducks know it's dinner time. So we're going to do some cooking tonight. Continuing the basic pasta theme from last episode without the tin stuff this time. Maybe not so much stuff you can't carry unrefrigerated. We're going to do carbonara, just a simple carbonara tonight. So I've got some parmesan, extra sharp cheese. We've got our googie egg, some bacon, and of course our pasta. So we'll get our pasta water on, and I'm cooking down on the ground with the pasta just because of table space. I don't want to set too much stuff up because I think there's another shower coming. I'll get the pasta on, that'll be the first thing, and then we'll start getting our other ingredients organised. Wrong. What's wrong, Rox? What's wrong? Right, it's boiling now. I think, as I said, I should have rewatched the video in the last pasta the spag bowl. Normally I do about 150 grams. I think that was 200, so we're backing it off a little bit. Yeah, while that's cooking away there, get our frying pan out, bowl there, get our cheese. Now you can change out the cheese. I would suggest going towards a cheese that has flavour. I've tried this at home with your sort of 4 cheese or your big melty, real melty cheese for nachos and pizza toppings and that, and it hasn't worked. It just doesn't taste right, or should I say, it tastes bland. But for this single serve, it's a where is it? I'm pretty sure it's a 125 gram packet. Oh, I've cut it in half. Yeah, it was 125 grams, so one of them into a bowl. Cheese in the bowl. I've got 1 egg. Can add to that as well. Come on, here you come. Give them a stir. There's probably not quite as much egg in here as I was hoping for. Normally I use the jumbo eggs, but that's going to do. We can add a bit more liquid to it when we start the cooking process, but I'll set that aside. Now, get our brand spanking new King's cooker going. Oh, cooker going. Bloody telephone calls and nearly blowing yourself up. That's just what you want when you're cooking. So we're going to add some oil to our pan. It's not going to matter, it's not level here. In goes our bacon. You can use, sometimes I put onion in it. you don't really want to load it up with too many ingredients. So hello, Cocky. The new product from King's, I actually brought it for the Mei trip. It's the same sort of concept as Coleman Hyperflame, so you can get a good heat going, nice big flame, and don't have to worry about the wind as much. I noticed some complaints about the Hyperflames burning too hot and not being able to turn them down enough, but I've never had a problem with that. So we'll let that cook up. Check our pasta. I've now used some cracked pepper. The owner of Net's come back and then stayed for 20 minutes, so my pasta's pretty much mush. It's all gone to shit. Anyway, it has allowed for my bacon to crisp up nicely, so that one. Now, one of the reasons we leave, stuff's going to happen here real quick. Low heat. Leave our pasta long so we can grab it out of the water. Now we're going to keep our pasta water just to use that to thicken up if need be. Stir this bacon through a bit. Get some of that bacon infused oil through there. You probably can't see, the lens is probably fogged up, but like that. Get our mixture. Now, we're going to stir that through. Yummo. A little bit more water. Then you're only using that cheese and a bit of the pasta water to fold through it and to thicken it up. Don't have to worry about cream, milk, anything else like that. Turn that off. Get rid of that big clump of cheese there so it melts properly. Come on, melt. The idea is real low heat. You don't want to scramble that egg. You want it to cook slowly through the pasta. Normally when I'm home, as soon as the pasta goes into the pot, I knock the heat off, but because we're outside, a little bit cooler, I don't want it to cool off too quick. But that's pretty much it, Mr. Cockatoo. Right. Lastly, grab our bowl. Try and get in without losing it. As a simple couple of ingredient meal, like I said, egg, bacon, you're gonna have that with you for bacon, eggs in the morning anyway. It's it doesn't get much better than that. Yummo. And before someone says it, it's a steel bowl, not a dog dish. It's not a dog bowl, is it, Rox?